before the execution, let me clear one thing very clearly that if you are going to develop multiple test cases as a manual, that doesn't mean you have to automate all those test cases in the same pattern. Because, for example, now the test case, you have developed two manual test cases. One is for the same verify the title of the of an application, whatever has mentioned in the document. Now, the second test case is to verify the login page, that your login page should contain the username text box, password text box, login button where, with the login text. So you don't need to create new test case again for all these. Okay, now again initiate the browser and verify the title, then go on for the further. You can continue from here onward that whatever you want to do. I want to verify that what is the next, that I want to verify the username text box should be there. So I am here going to create one web element. I'm giving the name as per the documentation. You can go for it, that username underscore text box that should be there. So I have created it. As we are going to follow with the XPath approach. I will tell you in next chapter that why we are going to follow the XPath approach. So you can give the value of your XPath. You can create the XPath by inspecting this particular page, and now you will navigate here. Okay, so here you will see the ID is there, but I'm going to verify from the XPath reason that should be disclosed in next multiple chapters. So here it is the XPath I have created for it. This should be reflected as one of one. So I'm going to here update the value of the XPath. Okay, now it has been. Now my test case is that the username text box is displayed. That is the test that you can do for another elements as well, for the multiples as mentioned. For the password, for the you can go for copy paste it and change the XPath. So if we can go for the other as well with as above, if username text box is displayed, I'm writing down here test case element display passed, else it will be failed. Now execute both of the test case. See, you don't need to write down again the first test case step it. So we have to consolidate multiple test case for the automation. Don't need to go again and again for the from as per the manual. So I always trying to deliver this thing to my manual team as well, that you have to write down the test case in this series if you are going to verify, or if you are going to write down the test case, then please write down like this, so it opens and verified. So we will check test case element has passed. Thank you for today.